Hello champion, George Duarte from the George's Live Cooking Show. Today is July 31st, 2019. As you can see in the subject line, it says, are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Zucchini Masala. Let's go right into it. As I shared with you yesterday, I was talking about the phenomenal basil plant that we bought from Whole Foods. And here it is. We've been using this for almost a week, and it was probably this high and maybe this much. It's really grown out. The seeds are budding more and more. So we're gonna be using some of the sweet basil. We have the zucchini here. I'm gonna be using some cream, coconut cream. We're gonna be using Georgie's all-purpose rub. We're gonna be using some masala, of course, some tomatoes, some garlic, some onion. Let's get busy. All right, we're gonna take this bad boy out. We're gonna take the knife out, and we're gonna go in. So I got the pan over here going. I don't know if you guys can see that, with that big plant. Yeah, this is gonna be out of control. I'm gonna go ahead and get a little bit of some lemon juice. Yeah. It's starting to get real good now. Let me try it. Gotta sample it. See how this juice is. Yeah, it's got a nice little citrus, and then a little bite at the end. Citrus. I don't know how I got that all twisted up. Citrus. It's got a nice little kick to it too, though. You know what I'm gonna put in this? Ha ha ha. You know what I'm gonna put in here? I wanted to have a little sweetness. Uh-oh, come back here, boy. I want to have a little sweetness. We're gonna use some pitted dates. Oh, my cutting board. No, I got this up.
Russ says African peanut stew sounds interesting, George. With chunks of some kind of waterfowl or furry land sugar. It might be good.
Tina, I got a interested in hearing about what you did to make that African stew. What did you use? Because it sounds amazing. And my man Russ here, he's always looking for a way to eat something that's got a face on it. Whether it's a chicken, turkey. He's a turkey man. So we'll just use a couple, maybe three or four of these in there. Dates in there just to kind of give it some. We'll use some fresh garlic. We'll use some coconut cream. We'll use a little lemon juice. We'll use obviously some masala. That smells delicious. We use some Georgie's all-purpose rub.
Tina says, did you leave this recipe in your email?
Yes, ma'am. I sure will. And some dates. We put some dates in it. We got the basmati. We got some basmati rice that I did. That's almost ready. Oh, it is ready actually. Basmati rice. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this rice and put this rice on top. Put this on right now because the rice is done. You can see it's nice and fluffy. You guys can see that, nice and fluffy. Still kind of hot too though. Let me unplug it so you won't have no mishaps here. Yeah, that's good right there. I'm going to be making a recipe over the next couple of days that I actually had it today and it was so delicious. Phil, what's up, brother? So I got the rice in. I'm going to take a little bit of basil. Take a little piece of basil off here. And I'm going to put that basil a little piece there. I'm going to take that basil and use that for some garnish too. But I'm going to take that piece of basil and put some of that basil on top of the rice. This is gonna be off the hook. Just make sure you use your fingers out of the way. So I'm gonna put that in there like that. Bap, bap, bap. Bap, bap, bap.
I'm good, brother. How are you?
Awesome, awesome, awesome. So got the rice. We got some of the rice, the onion, some of the zucchini, some of the this is delicious right here. Some of the sweet basil. Got to get a little bit of that. Look at that there. Y'all can see that. Got a little bit of that. The sweetness from the dates. Amen. Yeah. Got some creaminess. That's got some little kick to it. All right. Guys, this is crazy, man. I gotta let my son try this because if I don't let him try it, then guess what? Then I'm the bad dad. You don't want to try it? So what's with the looks on it? What's with the sour puss? Okay, you ain't supposed to be you're supposed to be behind the camera. Go on back, take the spoon back. You're supposed to be watching the camera. He over here playing around with me. He in here playing in the gym, dropping food. Give me the fork, the spoon, man. Tell me it ain't good.
Good, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So guys, there you have it. The Zucchini Masala over Basmati rice. I gotta go one more time so you guys can taste this one more time. Sprinkle it over with some fresh dates and also some sweet. You know what that is, right? That's that sweet basil. Oh, here we go. That's good. Guys, we're with Georgie's Live cooking shows and all the products and services we offer, like our amazing Georgie's all-purpose rub, our 4 amazing barbecue sauces that are gluten-free, vegan, delicious, original, family-friendly, mildly hot, a little kick, mangalicious, sweet and spicy, and really hot. Tomorrow, I'm George Duhar from Georgie's Live Cooking Show. God bless you guys. Fired up.